How to create a GitHub repository and push code into it. First, go to github.com and create an account. After you created an account, go to Dashboard page and click on the New button. Now give your repository a name, example final project. Add an optional description. Now you can choose if you want it on public or private. The next step is important in order to easily clone the repository, meaning to download it, mark it a readme file. Now click on Create Repository. The repository has been created.
Now, if you click on the Code button, a pop-up will open. Inside is the repository link that allows us to open the code in the editor. Now in the editor, Visual Studio Code, we will open a new terminal. The terminal we will use will be Git Bash. When the Git Bash terminal opens, we will need to navigate to the desktop or any folder where we want to store the repository. We will save the repository on the desktop. The command we need to get the project from GitHub is git clone. And after it, we put the repository link. Now the project has been deployed to the desktop from GitHub. Now we will open the project in Visual Studio Code that we got from GitHub. At the moment, the repository is empty, so we will create an HTML file. As we can see, the repository on GitHub is empty. Now we will commit this file to GitHub. First, we will create a branch which allows us to show who is committing the file to GitHub if we are working as a team. Let's give it a name. Now the branch is created. We also need to give the commit a name. We'll give it the same name as the branch. Click Push and click OK. As we can see, the branch has been created. Now we will click Commit. Click Sync Changes. The project has now been committed. Now we need to do it compare and pull request. We can also leave a comment about the work we have done on the project. We can also put a comment and finally make it March. Everything is fine now. At the end of the video, we show you a problem you may encounter when you are working for the first time or when you commit for the first time. If you see an alert with a message, make sure you configure your user, name and user, email in Git, then enter the following commands. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.